Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Ticker. So today I'm going to do the unique kind of testing on the Poco X3 device, and this is the first time I am trying in my channel. So right now I'll be using the Poco X3 smartphone to charge the four of the devices at same time. As you can see friends, this is a USB hub which is ready right now, which has four USB ports here, and right now I'll be using this kind of small OTG Type-C adapter, and I'll be connecting to the Poco X3 device, and I'll try to charge the mobile phones one by one. So let's see what is the charging rate can be there in each of the smartphone at same time as well. And for more this kind of unique videos on the Poco X3 and more this kind of testings, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also check the playlist for the Poco X3 smartphone, so where I did upload similar kind of videos regularly on this mobile phone. So let's get started friends with this kind of USB. First time I'm doing this kind of charging test, so let me first connect to the OTG here. So Type-C is connected successfully. So now I'll try to take the one by one mobile phone. So it is a Poco X2 device and Redmi Note 8 Pro and Mi Note 10 Lite 5G variant. Sorry, Mi 10 Lite, not Note 10. So it is a 10 Lite variant 5G and Redmi Note 9 model. So four phones I got here, and let me try to connect the one by one cable here continuously, and you can focus on the charging as well, how much it is every time I connect the mobile phone. So let me try to connect the phone here. So let me keep the phone side. So it is a Poco X3 phone is connected successfully and it's charging, as you can see here friends clearly. So this is the speed how much it's charging, and let me try to connect the another one as well. So it is another cable, and let me take the Redmi Note 8 Pro model. So it is a Redmi Note 8 Pro. And one thing is that all the phones, they do charge only with the normal rate, not with the full charge, not with the fast charging. That's another thing you need to remember. So let me try to open the application. So it is a charging monitor. So you can monitor the charging rates as well, how much it is right now. As you can see here friends. And next let me try to connect the charging to the another mobile phone, Mi 10 Lite 5G. So it is a Mi 10 Lite 5G. So let me try to connect the phone here. As you can see, it's charging successfully. The problem is that every time you connect the USB cable, you need to select the option no data transfer, otherwise this will keep on asking every time. So that's the one thing. So next here I am connecting the Redmi Note 9 model. As you can see, even this phone started to charge as well, as you can clearly see here friends. And I don't have the application to select, but one thing I did notice is that during this time I'm getting multiple as you can see, multiple prompts windows, small windows that select the no data transfer every time, very often. As you can see, even though I select the option, still it's appearing. I'm not moving any wire. So let me try to show you the USB up where it's connected right now. As you can see friends, completely it plugged. So all the four smartphones are charging at same time using the Poco X3 smartphone. So this is a not a usual situation where you will be charging multiple devices. It's not good at all for the battery, but I just want to make a video, and it is a video friends for you all. So I'm just using the directly the USB hub only. I'm not using any other external power supply. So overall, you can charge four devices at once, but you will get the very slow speeds. So not with the high speeds, you cannot charge at same time, and you will get this kind of errors every time. So maybe you can charge small accessories like the Bluetooth earbuds and multiple earbuds at same time. So maybe I do have the Type-C headphones. It is a Type-C headphones and Type-C Bluetooth earphones at same time, something like that. You can charge it at once, but overall it's working fine, but you're getting this kind of error every time. But background, it's still charging even though you're getting error. It's continuously charging up, as you can see. So overall, this is a quick review friends on this one, and it's working, but this kind of error is still happening every time. So maybe there must be some problem with the cable, I think so. So thank you friends for watching this video. For finally, what I'll do, I'll try to change the keyboard, I'll try to change the cable from Redmi Note 8 Pro to Poco X2 device. So let me see whether is there any problem with the cable or with the phone only. So I just want to figure out that one doubt which I'm having in my mind always. So let me try to clear that doubt right now. So it was kind of stable. I no. Still, it's coming only in the Redmi Note 8 Pro model, so not in any other devices. So it is a Poco X3 smartphone, friends. As you can see, Poco X3. And finally, it's charging, but with some kind of problem. So for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you, friends, for watching this video. And let me try to show you the even battery, how much it's decreasing during this time. As you can see, friends, the drop of the milliamperes, how much it is. So 2000, about 2000, as you can clearly see, 2140. So now what I will do, I'll try to disconnect all the phones at same time, and let me try to show you how much the battery will be dropping in the ideal state. So right now I disconnected the USB type C adapter. So you can see, so it decreased to 550 milliamperes right now after disconnecting of the all the mobile phones. You can see your friends clearly. So this is a overall quick charging test using the Poco X3 multiple smartphones, like 4 smartphones. So usually I don't recommend you doing this kind of charging multiple phones at same time, unless it's very much emergency that you don't have any other phone. So then you can use the Poco X3 phone to charge up other phones. But other than that, I would not recommend at all, because it's not good for the battery and it's not good for motherboard and everything, chipsets inside. So definitely this will impact the circuit maybe as well. So that's why keep that in mind and don't try to continue for long hours. So maybe try to charge only the small accessories like the Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headphones. So that those kind of things should be all right if you are using the Poco X3 device. But it is a video for you all, friends, and definitely I'll try to do this kind of unique testings on the different smartphones. And in case if you want to know more details about the different smartphones, so do check the links in description for further details. There are so many playlist videos which I have already uploaded, so many videos on various smartphones. So if you like any of the videos, make sure to comment below. I'll try to do the same kind of testing on the Poco X3 and other smartphones as well. And here is a quick review, friends, final thoughts as well. As I said, don't continue this kind of charging in the other multiple phones at same time. So make sure to charge only one mobile phone at once. So that will be the best case scenario to keep the battery good as well and stable. And the Redmi Note 8 Pro has some kind of problem, I think. So whenever I try to connect, it's kind of behaving like that. So maybe if I use the multiple USB hub, that's why the Redmi Note 8 Pro is not listening, I think. So maybe that must be the reason. So let me try to use only the normal one cable, just charging only the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's see whether this will ask again for the verification or not every time. I think it's not asking for anything. So maybe when I'm connecting the USB hub, only then this kind of not reacting properly, the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And for more similar kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.